Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how can you get the daily cipher code for Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get the daily cipher code for your Hamster Kombat, there are so many ways that you can use. Some very easy ways I'm going to show you into this video. The first one that you can try, which is very effective, is the YouTube. Yes, open your YouTube and search for Cypher Hamster Kombat or daily cipher code of Hamster Kombat, and there are some specific channel which uploads the cipher code of every single days. And as you can see here, there are so many channels which uploads daily cipher codes. Like this channel here uploads everything about cipher codes and other help for your Hamster Kombat. And the second thing that you can use is just open your Telegram and search for this channel. Its username is hamster_combo_cipher, and it has so many of the cipher codes of every single day. This way you can very easily get different cipher codes for your Hamster Kombat every day. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.